Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In today's video we are creating a multi-purpose website. Multi-purpose means you can use this website for any industry, and this video will be ideal for a complete beginner. Either you are creating a website for a client who has just started, or if you are creating website for your own business, then this video will be for you. So we are using a platform WordPress, which is very beginner friendly, as well as no coder person can easily use. And to create a website we are using a Elementor. It is one of the no code builder. So there are many page builders available, but we will use this one for this video. So let's get started. Okay, let's see how our current website is showing. So if I go to the preview, this is how it looks. It is a 2025 theme is active, and it's just for a content we have just simple one block. So how we started with Elementor. For that, let me install theme first. So I'm going into appearance and themes. Okay, I am going into add theme. I'm searching here hello Elementor. It is showing here, but you can search it. So hello Elementor, I'm installing it and activate it. Okay, so now hello Elementor is active. Let's see the preview. Okay, now theme is active. Now if you are wondering, we have to use hello Elementor only. So no, you can use any theme. Just make sure it is friendly with page builder Elementor. So it's not necessary that you use the same theme. I am using the this one because it is already provided by Elementor company itself. So I am keeping both the same, that I'm using page builder Elementor, so I'm using their theme right now. But it's not necessary. Page builder is a visual thing. You can create a page with visually drag and drop thing. So you just need to make sure that it is compatible with the theme you are using. So this will be the first step. We have installed the theme. Theme is active. Now we are going into a plugin. So I am searching a plugin. Here I am searching Elementor. So Elementor website builder, more than just a page builder. This is what we are going to use on our theme. So this page builder plugin I am installing and activating it. Okay, now as you install, here you will, in left panel you will get additional menu of Elementor templates for further setting. Now let's go to the main website and let's see if there are more advanced option available. So if you, right now we are using a free version. So if I open the website, I'm going into a pricing page builder pro plugin. So from library we are using a free stuff, free version we have installed and using, because the design we are trying to achieve, free version will be sufficient. But if you want to achieve more advanced design and mockup, then you can go for it. This is for a beginners video, so I have kept things very simple. So you can compare here the plans, that what are the pricing and what features they are providing. So here you can buy that and activate it. Then you according to your plan purchase, you will get the benefits. Now let's see the design. so we can have idea that what we are trying to achieve here. So this is a mock-up for a very small business owner or a small business website. So what type of content and section we have kept. So as you can see, we have company logo, we have menu. First section is about hero section, that it will be about how business is helping to audience. So that will be our hero section. Next section we have provided who we are, that is about the company. User will get more information about the company. Then we have kept what we offer, that here we are highlighting all product and services. We are assuming here that company is providing four type of product and services. So that will be a next section. After that we have put client speak, that is a testimonial section. So we have put two testimonials. After that, we have kept a CTA, call to action section, that after knowing all this stuff, if any user wants to be in touch, then we have put a loud CTA here. After that, we have put a latest project completed by this company. So again, it will be a image and detail section, that is a latest project. At the end we have kept talk to us, that will be a contact form here. Now right now I haven't put any design here because it will be a ready plugin design, so I haven't designed it right now. And at the bottom we have kept copyright info. So if you go to the mockup, we have kept all initial information. Now, particular for this website, we are not creating any inner pages. This will be a multi-purpose web page. It will be a one-page website. So if anyone is clicking here in navigation menu, the page information will be revealed from page itself, so there will be no inner pages. For example, if anyone is clicking on testimonials, then user will be redirected to this section. If anyone is clicking on work portfolio, then user will be redirected to this section. Now as you can see, this is a kind of a wireframe design. So if we are converting this into a particular industry, we will adapt the new design. So first let's achieve this, then I will show you how to convert this into industry specific. Now to start a page, I have created a page home, and now I am doing edit with Elementor. Okay, so for now, I'm not creating header footer first because we don't have inner pages. We are creating one page website kind of thing. So I don't want to complicate much because we are keeping in mind that this is for a small business owner who is just starting with the digital world. So for creating a page, I am setting up few global setting, so it will automatically adapt. So page will automatically adapt that global setting, so we are cutting down some extra time. Now let's check mockup first. In mockup, we have two or three colors, black and white and some neutral for a background. And for a font, we are using Open Sans family, that is a free fonts from Google. So let's apply this global setting. So whole website will adapt that. We don't need to do separately on each element. We don't need to apply setting. So let's apply that global setting first. Now this global setting will be adapted by entire website. So we need to go into the site setting. For example, if you want a specific change in particular page, then you can also check out page settings. So for entire website, we are going for site settings. Here you will find theme header and theme footer. So let me first, let's go to our global colors. Okay, so for primary we are choosing black. For secondary, let's keep it white. Body text we need to keep it black. Accent, for accent we are just a minute. For accent, let's keep light gray or something. Also we have a BG color in a mockup, so I am adding here in custom color. I am adding here BG01. Let's add that. Okay, so some basics setup I have completed. Now let's go to the fonts. Now these are the system fonts. We need okay, so for primary I want to set Open Sans. As per design I am applying here, so you need to apply accordingly your mockup and design. And if you are controlling a site globally, then anytime you can change, and entire website will adapt that. So it's not a big thing. You can later you can also change it if you don't like it. So for primary, as per mockup, I'm applying the setting. As per PSD design, I have set up a fonts here. So it shows previews here. Now you want additional style, then you can also add here. So that is additional font setting also possible. Now once you apply, for example, let's see this body text. So here it shows device style, that device icon, that this style is set up for a desktop. Now if you change this, if you click on this, then you can change here tablet and mobile. So you can also apply for example, if you want smaller fonts in mobile, or different line height for tablet, then you can also set it. For now I want all device adapt body text similar, so I am not modifying this. Same with line height, letter spacing, and word spacing. So whenever separate device setting is possible, you will find this icon. Now if you go back to site settings, here after colors and fonts you will find other setting, that is a theme style part. So you can also set your typography, buttons, images, form fields, etc. So as per mockup you can apply this a global setting. So whatever you apply that here and you don't modify on a page, it will adapt the style from here. So as per mockup, I am changing, applying settings here. Now I have developed my theme as per mockup. So I have set up everything here, typography, button style, and everything. Now let's see how it affects. So I'm going into the page and I'm quickly adding to test. I'm quickly adding all headings. So this is heading Now I have created different typography style for all headings, but it is not affecting. So to get that effect, you need to go into the setting. Okay, this is the preview. Okay, I am going into Elementor and setting. Now see this option, disable default colors, disable default fonts. So it is asking, checking this box will disable Elementor's default fonts and make Elementor inherit the font from your theme. So if we go into the site setting, so this will be override by your theme styling. So I'm going again in the setting. I am keeping this on. Okay, now let's see the preview. So now it is adapting theme styling. So as per design, you just simply apply changes in your theme style and your entire website will adapt that style. Now our basic setup has been done for a theme. So now let's build up a page. So I'm going into the header right now, hello theme header. Let me add a color on primary. We have kept site logo as a text. You can also apply image. Let's build up our first section. So that is a hero section. So we have this big area with a headline and a button. So I'm applying I want this section as a full width. Let's keep it boxed only. Okay. So this will be our for now. Let's make minimum height 500. I want content should be centered, so it will be okay. Now let's add call of action. For now I'm not linking this button, so let's keep as it is. Let's add some space between. Okay, instead of adding break, let's make content area smaller. So I'm going into a container and I'm making its width maximum 600. Let's make it more. Okay, this is fine. Now let's preview this section into tablet view. Okay, for tablet view, I want it 100%. Similar with the mobile view. Now as you can see, once we have set up theme styling, creating will be fast. So so that is a ideal way according to me, that major component you set up in a theme style first, and then you just build your page with a drag and drop visual editor. It is very fast. So our first section is ready. It is mobile responsive, and if you want to edit anything, then again you go to site setting and you modify it here. So whatever you modify here, it will affect it. Now let's make a next section, that is about a company section. We have image on the right, and on left we have some information. So I'm going into the container. Here I'm taking two column structure. On right we are adding image. On left, let's add a heading. Okay, it is taking a full width. So let's set up website maximum width. So again, I am going into a site setting. Here I am going into layout, and instead of content width 100%, I am setting it. Let's make it up to 1200. Okay, this is fine for me. Now let's make cosmetic changes as per our mockup. That is a margin, padding, little bit spacing. So with white space, it looks more presentable. Now for next section, that is our services and products offered by a company. So we have title and four services products, and we have one city. So for that, I'm taking one container. Okay, first is our heading. Next, we are taking a container. In that we have products offered. For that, I am taking yes, image box. Okay, so in a main container, we have background color. That is product services name and some text. Okay, so okay, I want to show four products or services name. So I want image box duplicated. So that's our four product and services. I want everything aligned horizontally. So layout direction will be row horizontal. Okay. Now let's add styling. So same style I want on all my image box. So I'm copying and paste styling. Okay, let's quickly check our tablet view. Okay, I am fine with this structure now. For mobile view, I want vertically stacked, so that is also fine. Let's remove additional padding. Okay. Now, as per mockup, we also have white BG and shadow. And after that, we have this learn more CTA. So let's add that. For image box, I will go to advanced. In advanced, I will go to background. Now, let's add some shadow. So in a border part, we will find that. Now similar setting I want on all four boxes. So I'm just pasting the style. Okay. Now next is our CTA. Okay, now let's add some padding here. Okay, for now, this section is good to go. Now let's move to next. Next, we have a static testimonial part. We have two column layout and a title. So let's quickly add that. We have we are going into advanced, adding some BG. Okay, so that's our testimonial section. If we go into the next, then okay, we have center align. So let's put it. Fine. So this is our testimonial, and next is our CTA. So we have just title and button. Let's quickly put me that. Our next section, latest project, that is a work portfolio about company. It is similar to our product and services part. So instead of four, we are showing here three projects. So let me duplicate this. I am dragging and dropping at the bottom. Okay, now we only need three, so I am deleting this. Okay, so what's the title? That is a latest project name here, and project details here. For this part, we don't have any CTA, so I am deleting this. Okay, so this part is ready. For next, that is talk to us, and below we have a contact form. So we are taking user data like name, email, and message. So for that, I'm using a plugin that is a contact form 7. You can also use another plugin like WP forms, gravity forms. There are so many form plugins available. For now, I'm using contact form 7. So I'm creating this section. Okay, to placing a form, first we need to install the uh, plugin. So let's go to plugin part. So I am installing this plugin and activating it. Now as you install, you will get that menu in left panel. You will get that menu contact. Now here you can create your contact form. Here default form is installed. So if we go into edit, okay, it has a name, email, and subject and message. So for now it is sufficient for a demo purpose. So I'm duplicating this shortcode. Now to place a form, I'm using shortcode widget. Here I'm copying the shortcode. Now, form itself is a element to explore, that you need to place where you will submit, how you will put a redirection and all that, how to modify this field and all. But this is for a demo purpose, that how we can include a form with this web page. Else whatever else whatever you use, like WP forms or gravity forms or contact form 7 or any other form, you need to explore that plugin, that what are the settings and how much you can achieve with that. So for now, for this video, we have kept a simple exercise, that how to install a plugin and how to get any form on your web page. So for now this is sufficient. Now our page is ready. Let's publish and see. Okay, so we have all section ready. We can say wireframe of the section. Now there are no inner pages, so let's link all pages, all section to from a main navigation. So it will be besides logo on a right side, and whenever user clicks on it, user will be redirected to that particular section. Now, to apply that, we will need identity to each part. So, for that, we need to give ID to each part. So, let's see. This is the okay. Let me. This is not necessary. I'm just putting it so I quickly identify. Okay, so I'm selecting the container. I'm going in the advanced. Here you will find CSS ID. So here we simply put name. So here I'm putting main hero or just simply hero. You can also add a class if custom CSS you want to apply. Then for second again I'm giving ID about us. Once you put ID to each section, we need to go to appearance menus. Now to place that link, we need to go to a custom link, and here we have to put a menu item name. So let's see the mockup. We have who we are, our services, testimonial, work portfolio, and talk to us. So first is our home. Next is who we are. Now this who we are, this menu item will be redirected to about. So here we put hashtag about, and we are adding this custom link. Same way we will add other links. In similar manner, we have added all menu items. Now let's see the preview. So now suppose we want to go to the section services. So if I click here, page will be redirected to that. If I click on a work portfolio, so that part will be shown. So this is how one page web page can be ready. Now this is a kind of wireframe for any small business website. I'm now personalizing this page for industry cleaning services. So this wireframe page I'm converting for the website for the company who provides home services. So before that, if you can see, if I'm going into the our services section, we have to scroll up to get access of the menu. So for that, I like to suggest you can also add sticky header. So that can be a additional add-on plugin if you don't know how to code. And another thing is, if you are in a uh, suppose if you are in the bottom parts, then you can also highlight back to top button. So if I click on it, it will be redirected to top. So that way user will have access of whole page all the time. But this video is already long, so we will cover this we might cover it soon in upcoming videos. So sticky header and back to top button kind of essential for this kind of web page, but for now we are skipping. We are learning like create a basic wireframe structure, and same structure we can adapt for any industry. Those points we can cover in our next video. Okay, so let's convert this for industry cleaning. So page is almost personalized now. This is how the final looks come out. So feel free to comment if you are trying this, if you are creating some wireframe and converting that wireframe into any random industry. Let me know how it goes. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. If you like my videos, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.